north. Climbing now, quite a bit. I'm hoping it's not really hard. David doesn't even seem to feel that there's any gradient. It's not much at the moment, only 6%. Good to be out of that tunnel. Wow, 400 meters. How loud was that? Nova Levante. There's Georgia. This town seems more Austrian than anything. Everything's just about written in Austrian, so I guess it used to be Austria, I don't know. Kind of hoping the gradient stays bad back friendly, like under 9%. Between the trees, no idea how much further, maybe 5. Luckily no more than 10%, holding 7 to 9. We'll get there. Lago di Carezza. Wherever that is. Is that it? Nah. Jesus. It's crystal clear. Wow. Have a look at it. Unbelievable how clear that is. David. It's beautiful. It's so clear. È chiaro, così chiaro. Yeah. Oh, see. Check out Big Jukes. Well, that's got a bit of kit on it. $1,500 meters. Could be a car park, clothing shops. Oh, yeah. The battery to get this scene in. My phone's dead. My camera's almost gone. And I don't know where Georgia and David are. So I'm hoping they're coming up this way. Okay. Passo Costa Lunga. Nice chalet. Little donkey. 1752 meters. Thank God. Try and keep up with him, eh? Yeah, we can do it. Beautiful. Bella building. There's a couple of nice guys here from Bavaria, and we're here at the Hotel Savoy. and it's taken us like 20 minutes to get a panino and some beer, and it's kind of like I'm totally knackered. I am knackered. Battery, and we're going to be going downhill, obviously. Fantastic hotel over there, whatever it's called, I can't tell from here. We just had I just had a 400ml beer and a panino. Service was a bit crap, so I'm not bothering with anything else. Feeling a bit tipsy. Some big motorbikes around, but look at the scenery, man. This is just heaven on earth. I'm hoping this battery won't die on me right now, but God almighty, look at it. Frank! Frank, you listening to me? Mate, this has got to be better than Gamaraka. Come on! Get with the program. Ooh. Ah, look at that. Magic. What a view from your window. Fantastic. Logs. Bloody hell. Bit of firewood here. But I just wanted to also have a quick last squeeze there. Fantastic. All beautiful. And downhill we go. No headwinds. Christ. After all that crap we went through getting up here, 2,800 meters in 73 k's. Enough's enough. Okay. Round the next bend and we'll switch off and hook up. Oh, there's a bit of nice snow over there. Ah, there it is. Fantastic. I'm wondering if this camera's working, but what a scene. Beautiful. Gutbuster. 13% back there. See if I can get a quick photo. Ugh, magic, absolutely magic. Called Predazzo, which is near Moena. Water, beautiful, very German, Alpine, Austrian, glorious. And we're stopping again. Your beauty. What a drink. We're on Hardpack Road, or sort of Hardpack Road, and Giorgio's got us doing some stupid bike track. Ah, here we go. Can't see why we can't go on the bloody road. Frickin' hell. Bike track that'll take us back to the car. Get a quick shot of that. Better stop here and work out where to go. Look, it makes Linear Park look a bit sick, and the Torrens with it. But what can you do? Different world out here. Even if you don't ride, you need to come and see it. Motorbike, car, whatever. So good. And the food and everything else is so good. Okay. Oh, nice bunny hop. Jumping area. I've never seen that. You got your lower mountain, lower launch and the higher launch, like I see on Winter Eurosport. We're not far from the car now, maybe a K or two. We've done 95, 96 Ks. There's those motorbikes again. I'm with Sergio here, who's helped me out. Major head fuck in that I must have gone the wrong way or God knows what, but there's just a couple of Ks up the road there. I knew that we had to go along this stream and all that sort of thing, but lost my way with the bike track. So my phone's completely dead. Sergio helped me out, so thank you so much. You're a lifesaver. Thank you.